Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. I am here today with my April favorites, Ipsy Glambag and BoxyCharm. This month I feel like I don't have that many products, but I do have a variety of products. They're not all beauty related, but the ones that I do have, I love, love, love. I think they are amazing products that I recommend 100%. And then of course you'll see the contents of my BoxyCharm and Ipsy Glambag. So we better get started with my April favorites. So the first product I'm going to start with is my handbag, and this bag, I shared it with you guys recently. I will make sure to put the unboxing down below, but ever since I got it, I pretty much use it about 3 or 4 times a week. I love it. The size has been perfect. This is the Siena PM handbag in the Damier Ebene. It has the crossbody strap. I took it on my trip to Las Vegas. It was just so comfortable. It's kind of like the bag that I always grab now, that I always use, because during the daytime I'm using my Neverfull, which is a pretty big bag, but it's like my everyday bag that I take to work. But then if I do anything in the evening, I go to the movies, I go to dinner, I do something a little bit more like a bar, or I can take this with me everywhere I go. It is just so comfy and convenient. It fits the perfect amount. It's cute. You can use it with your top handle. Usually I use it with the strap, just because, for example, yesterday I had a happy hour and you know, you can carry the bag. You don't even have to hold it, and you can walk around without such a huge bag, and it is just the best. I really have been enjoying this Siena. I love it, and this Damier Ebene material just lasts forever. It like you do not see anywhere and tear. I have a pair of sunglasses. These are the Gucci sunglasses that I got in Las Vegas, and since I got back, it's already been about a month since I got back, I have been using these every single day. They are super, super comfortable. They're extremely lightweight. I like because they're very dark to block the sun. I mean, I'm the type of person who I only use sunglasses when it really is sunny, but as soon as I feel a little bit of sun, I have to bust out my glasses. Like I need sunglasses for the purpose of sunglasses. I know I've said that before, but they're just really comfortable, and I think they're really pretty. They're light, and they have like a little glitter kind of like in the bottom right around here. And I just think it looks really pretty, and I'm just really happy with them. I always worry when I get new sunglasses, like, because yeah, they can look all pretty in the store and everything, and you can try them on and you can see how they look on your face, but I feel like you don't really know until you wear them. And that's when you can tell, once you wear them for like a full day, that's when you can tell if it's too heavy, if it marks your nose. And that's when like I get really mad if you spend a lot of money in sunglasses and they leave those marks and they just feel so heavy that they bug you. And then I was just so happy that these did not do that. So loving these Gucci sunglasses. I don't even know what model they are. I'm gonna try to find them for you guys. So I'm not sure if I've talked about this next product in my favorites. I probably have, maybe like a particular shade, but I just want to give a whole shout out to this product. I think it's like one of the best releases that I've seen in the more recent days, and I'm dropping them all over the place. The Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. They're the ones with the rose gold cap. I have a ton of these. I love these. These are the best because it is so easy. You don't even need to have eyeshadow. You don't even need to put an eyeshadow base or anything like that. You can just put this right over your lid, and it just gives you a beautiful like shimmery eyeshadow. And I love it because I'm always into the shimmery eyeshadow, but I love that I don't have to go ahead and put a cream base. I don't have to pack on the eyeshadow. I literally just swipe this on the lid. I kind of blend out the edges a little bit, and that's it. You're good to go. That thing sticks to your eyelid. It does not go away. The color payoff is amazing. Some of my favorite colors, so you guys know, are Kitten. I love Grace. I also like, was it Starlight? There's another one that I really love. I don't know if it's Jezebel, but they're just really nice, vibrant colors. And that's what it looks like over the lid. That is just like one swipe pretty much. And they're just really beautiful, and they stay put. Like them so much better than the glitter ones, even though the glitter ones I love. But these, I just love the shimmer look, and I love how quick it is. If you have your makeup all throughout the day and you want to add a little bit of a va-va-voom to make it into a day to nighttime look, just pop one of these on the lid, and it looks like you just really spent a ton of time on your makeup, blending and doing all these things to the lid when you just pretty much just swiped this on. Love these. Next, from Lush, I have this Whoosh shower jelly, and it looks like this. It kind of looks like it's like Jello, but man, I have to say, this thing smells so freaking good. It smells so good. I do have to admit that the jelly part is kind of a pain in the butt, just because you kind of, a little bit goes a long way, because you take a little bit and that stuff lathers so much. I love, my favorite way to use it is to, you know, rip off a little chunk, which sometimes those little chunks are hard to rip off. And then I like to put it on like a sponge, and it lathers so quickly. But it's kind of a pain, because sometimes you drop the little jelly and it's like you waste it. You know, you kind of have to like keep it on the sponge and just make sure it doesn't fall off, and like rub it so it begins and turns into a lather. But it lathers a lot, which I love. The smell is awesome in the shower. It's kind of like, oh, it's just like invigorates all your senses. I love it, so I really recommend it. I've been using it a lot. I have two nail polishes that I really have enjoyed from OPI. The very first one is this one. It's Lisbon Wants More with 2 O's, OP. And this is what it looks like. I think it's a really pretty, it's kind of like a pinky white color. It covers a lot. I love those colors that cover a lot, but it does have a little bit of a pinky tone, even though it looks very white. And then this one also looks white, but it has a little bit of a mint green tone. And this one is Don't Cry Over Spilled Milkshakes. So these two I've really been liking. It's like one of those colors that you put it on and you want to go back and you want to do it over and over again. Both cover really well. If you do not like colors that cover and you like more see-through colors, you're going to hate these. I hate see-through colors, and these I really liked from OPI. They also lasted a really long time. I think my manicure was like perfect for almost 2 full weeks. I've been liking these Clinique glosses. The other one that I did show recently in a favorites is the pink one. This is for sure my favorite. The pink one is Spritz Pop, and I like it a lot. It's like, these are like special editions Marimekko for Clinique. But then I got the nude one, which I also liked, and that is my favorite this month. And that one is called Caramel Pop. It's just a really pretty nude. It's like a really perfect type of nude color. You know, it's not too brown, it's not pink, it doesn't make you look dead. It's just like the perfect type of nude, and that's why I like it. It's the perfect tone of nude. It looks beautiful over any nude lipstick. You can also wear it on its own, because it does make your lips look, you know, just kind of nice and glossy with that little nude tone. But preferably, I like to use it over lipstick, but I just like how glossy it is, and just that nude makes any lipstick look really, really beautiful. My last favorite product is a perfume, and it is from the brand Hermes, and it is Le Jardin de Monsieur. I feel like I've shown this before in the past. I didn't have the full size, but I got like a little gift set with a bunch of the Le Jardin perfumes. Then I bought a little travel set, which had like kind of bigger size of Le Jardin. And pretty much the one that I always grabbed and the one that I finished the most in my little bottles that I had gotten before was the one from Monsieur. So I finally got the full size. And look, I think I must have gotten it like, look how much I've already used. And I think I pretty much just got this. I've been using it every single day. I love the way it smells. I like because it's a perfume that you can spritz all over yourself, and it's not overwhelming, but it still just smells good and natural. It's soft, great perfume for every day. Now it is time for my Ipsy Glambag and BoxyCharm. This is what the April Ipsy bag looked like. And I did peek. I have to say that I'm actually considering canceling my Ipsy, you know, subscription, just because I just really do not get excited at all about the products. It came with a brush from the brand Firma. This is the 202 brush. I keep on dropping stuff. And it's kind of like an angled brush like this. It's always nice to receive brushes. It came with a sample of this Trifle Cosmetics Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub. It also came with this H2O Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. This is clinically proven to hydrate and soften skin. This is for the face and neck. So here's another brand that I have never heard of, which it's kind of nice to see new brands, you know, I like that. But man, just throw in an old favorite there. I never get like a, wow, I'm so excited, I got this. Never happens. This is from Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. It looks like this. Oh, it looks like a pretty color. And then the last thing it came with is this Ciate Starstruck. This is a limited edition, what is this? Eyeliner and eye stamp. So eyeliner It's like a really thick eyeliner, which I really do not see me using. It's like, look how thick that is. I mean, it's not for me. And then it has a little stamp, which is a star. So again, not something that I see me using. For BoxyCharm, see, when I get BoxyCharm, then I get excited. Yeah, I know it's a full-size thing, but they have good brands. Not that these other brands are not good brands, but you know what I mean. I wish I had like a mixture. I can try new products out from brands that I haven't heard of, but also throw me a brand that I love. So, Semi-Precious Shadow Palette by ColourPop. This is what the palette looks like, and look how pretty these colors look. Definitely excited about this one. So let's see the swatches. Look at that. So here are some of the swatches of this palette. A Dr. Brandt, this says Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I like that name, vacuum cleaner. Pore Purifying Mask. It's a mask for your pores. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes onto dry. A cooling sensation will occur. I'm not into cooling products for my face. The Brow Gel by Tonya Crooks. The Instant for Brown Hair is what it says. This is like, oh, it's like a cute little brow. You know, this should look good on me, I guess. It looks like a blonde. You know, it says brown, but it looks like it could match my brows. Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Do you see it? God, this camera. For like lighter things, it's not the best to show on camera, but it has a little liquid highlight. I haven't tried any of the liquid highlights from Tarte before. Adesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. So that looks like a pretty color. See, I haven't heard this brand, but I'm excited about this liquid lipstick. Oh, it's very like brownish. That looks pretty. It's like a more brownish type of nude. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my April beauty favorites, Ipsy Glambag and BoxyCharm. I'll make sure to list all the products in the description box down below that I share with you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go. And as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.